Hey y'all, it's nighttime. Shh. Not really, but I'm in a darkened room right now. All the lights are off and I'm all by myself. So I have one very bright lamp in front of me representing the sun. So we're gonna go ahead and turn our camera around and I'm gonna show you our moon lab. All right, see, very dark room except for the one super bright light right there in the middle. So this represents my moon, and I am the Earth. So it's going to revolve around me. It's also going to be rotating in relationship to the sun, but let's go ahead and look at the phases of the moon. So when the moon is in front of the sun like this, what part is illuminated from our point of view? Can you tell? Yeah, nothing, right? It's all in shadow because the light is behind it. As it begins to move counterclockwise, moving to the left, and I turn 1/8 of a turn, you can see what's illuminated right here. Just the right side in a perfect crescent shape. See that? All right, now I'm going to continue to move, and I'm going to stop when my right shoulder is facing the light source. And you can see now that half of the moon is illuminated, and the other half is completely dark. And that's your first quarter moon. As I continue to move this way and I stop again, you can see that this side is still illuminated, but it's bigger than halfway illuminated, and that's going to be my gibbous moon. As I turn all the way behind me, now I'm not going to eclipse it, I'm not going to get in the shadow of the Earth, right? Because the moon works at an orbit tied to our equator. So now how much is illuminated? All of it, 100% of it, so that's my full moon. As I continue to orbit around the Earth and I make another 1/8 of a turn, you can see here how much is illuminated. Just over half, and that's the gibbous moon again. If I continue to move this way with my left shoulder now 100% at a right angle to the light source, you can see that the left side is illuminated, the right side is in shadow, and that's my next quarter moon. And if I continue moving toward here, now I see another crescent moon, this time illuminated on the left, and the right side of the moon is dark. So I'm going to go ahead and spin it around, continue to spin it around, and now I'm back at new moon. The lunar phase and the shape of the moon depends on the relationship between the moon and the sun, and has nothing to do with the Earth casting a shadow or anything like that. That does not determine the shape of this moon that we see in the sky. It all has to do with the position in relationship to the sun. So that's our phases of the moon, and I hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, folks. Bye.